Welcome to the facility where heavy-duty vehicles and trucks get tortured, punished, even destroyed. A team of Ford engineers and professional drivers have gathered to document a 24-hour torture test to prove that the Ford Ranger is built to take on your world. This is Ranger, the 24-hour challenge. The clock starts now. We tackle some of the harshest conditions in the world: hard, soft, or deep sand. If the Ranger makes it through this, it'll make it through anything. So far, the indestructible pickup has performed brilliantly. It's an awesome display of tough done smart. The upgraded suspension provides car-like comfort on the open road. And the dual-zone climate control helps you keep your cool, no matter how hot it is out there. The Ranger's off-road capability is up next. We'll test its brilliance on this axle twister 4x4 course. Extreme? Yes. Impossible? Never. Here's a pickup that is capable of conquering high ground. After a grueling 3-hour session, it's time to see if this pickup has what it takes to carry the load. The Ford Ranger is built to work hard, so we put load after load on its back. Bricks, concrete, cement, you name it. Load after load, the pickup flexes its muscle, so then we made the challenge even harder. Throughout the day, it moved 30 tons of building materials. No sweat. Back to the oval, where the Ranger is up to speed in a flash. The Ranger shows no sign of fatigue, wear, or tear. It's living up to its name in every possible way. We use the reverse camera to help connect a trailer. It's Ranger versus 3,500 kilograms of heavy-duty construction equipment. Towing this load will test the chassis strength and the integrity of the Ranger's build quality. The Ford Ranger has pulled more than its weight in this 24-hour test. The 5-cylinder, 147-kilowatt motor and the 6-speed automatic gearbox pull together, and the Ranger conquers the challenge. It's been an endurance test of epic proportions, but for the indestructible Ford Ranger, it's just another day's work. Proof, indeed, that the new 2016 Ford Ranger is built to take on your world.
The engineers at Ford took the Ranger through a series of 4 extreme tests, pushing it to its limits and proving it's tough done smarter. This is the science of truck. The Ranger is built to take on harsh conditions. To prove it, the Ford engineers are here at this test facility to show how the Ranger's smart design delivers outstanding wading capabilities.
Today we're going to take the Ranger through 200 millimetres of water at high speed. Then we're going to take the water level up to 800. 200 doesn't sound like a lot of water, but at that speed it's going to be like a hydraulic hammer.
Hitting unseen water at 25 kilometres per hour can damage a vehicle that's not built for water wading. That's why the front end of the Ranger was designed to disperse the force of the water, keeping the wheels on the ground and the driver in control.
Above this guard is where we've actually got the air intake. This is what makes this car breathe. The alternator was brought up. We've moved electrical components high up in the engine bay again. It's been designed to be tough.
The Ranger's smart aerodynamics works like a ship's hull, forming a bow wave that spreads the water away from the air intake as the truck cruises.
With a Ranger, we only call it a pass if we can do it at max payload.
The engineers could be calling it a day, but they're not quite satisfied.
So I'd like to back it in and let it idle in the water for an hour. So that's something that we've never done before.
Once again, the Ranger slips into the 800mm depth, but this time for more than just a crossing.
Yeah, this is pretty crazy. We've got all sealed connectors that are watertight. We don't want water getting in there, otherwise there'll be pistons everywhere. The fog lamps would have been sitting down the bottom there. High intensity, still working.
The Ranger's elevated air intake keeps the engine idling normally.
That's 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah, it's amazing.
Our engineers think ahead. So when it comes to the extreme conditions, the Ranger performs. That's what we like to call tough, done smarter.